Hey there guys, thought I would maybe do a mail call kind of video here. I have no idea what this is. I don't remember what I might have ordered. So it'll be as much of a surprise to me as to you. It comes from the Ukraine apparently. So we'll check it out. All right. I remember I ordered these from for my Opel Blitz kits that I've got going. So these are some replacement wheels. I'm always challenged with how I go about opening some of these boxes. Okay, there's tape there. There's no real opening there. Oh my god. Too much graphic design. How do I get in there? Okay, maybe we'll try slicing this tape here. Yeah, that's only on one side. So there you go. These guys must have some new graphic art students who recently graduated doing their design with the boxes. So here's the res kit Opel Blitz wheel set. It's for the artillery kit, but I imagine you can use it for the Dragon ones as well. So yeah, hopefully I'll be able to show you these on a future video where I can show you how I use them in a model kit. Alright, here's the some nice foam for some painting effects perhaps. Alright, and here's the actual wheel parts. They look pretty good. I wonder if there's different styles. I'll have to really take a look at the instructions so that I can sort that out. Let's see, how many types are there? So there's these wheels. So there should be 7 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. And then R2. There should be. Do they have the numbers on them? Yep, on the back you can see here. They number them, so that helps. Okay, that's an R3. R2. R2. So there should be 6 of the R2. Let's see. R2. R2. And R2. And then the R3, there should be 1, and I've got the one here. And then I guess this is like an interspacer of some sort. And we get one of those. And then you have the parts R5 and R7. No, R5 and R6. Oh, they've got it numbered differently in the instructions as compared to the actual pieces. So this is R5 and R4. So I'm supposed to get 2 of each of those. And there you go. I have them. Great. Yeah, I've got about 4 different Opel Blitz kits going, if not more. And you know, I've got quite a few kits on the go. I don't have that YouTube channel back in the day when I was making these, but they're not quite done, so I'll probably do some videos of them later. Okay, since I'm on with this Opel wheel thing, let's take a look at some other ones that I ordered. This one here I've already opened up and I've trimmed it back. The packaging with these is a little bit cumbersome. It's got like a vacuum formed plastic cover and it's awkward. So I just put them all into this plastic bag. And this is from Hussar. And I gotta say, I've bought several Hussar products over the many years. And I like their stuff. I find them to be very, very good quality items. And you can see here that these ones are very nice as well. These ones are for the Tamiya kit, and they're got a late tread on them as opposed to maybe the earlier one that was on those ResiCast ones. So yeah, and with this one you get a spare wheel there. That's another spare wheel. That's a front wheel, and then these ones here are the tandem rear ones, and they fit together really nicely. Oh, maybe I was wrong about that. Yeah, that's not a spare wheel, that's a part of the tandem one there. So then these are the front ones, and they have a different lug on there. I wonder why that is. I'll have to maybe research that a bit better. You see, like these ones here, they have a smaller lug. So, and then these things here are how you mount them, like that. So those ones are from Hussar, and I'm happy with those ones. Now, let's go on to this set from Panzer Art. And they come in a nice, attractive box. And they seem to be okay. But there's no real... they don't give you any instructions on how these go together. So you kind of have to guess. And they provide... well, let's just take a look what's included first, okay? I think that must be a spare one. Not sure. Yeah, that one doesn't... Oh, it does. So I don't know. Because these ones all have nuts on them. So I don't know, this shouldn't have nuts on it if it's a spare wheel. I'd have to drill those out. But there's those two. These are for the front. And these ones I guess are for the tandem on the back. But there's no real keying in of these. And the sort of the sprocket that they give you to put in there, it doesn't really fit. It's too small. So you put these together like this, and then I guess you're supposed to drill out one side that goes. But now, check it out. So you can see that that's a problem. And I wrote to them and asked them about it, but I haven't received any information about what's going on with that. So I'll probably have to figure out something on my own, like cut a disc or something that will actually fit in that opening. So I do not recommend Panzer Art Opel wheels at this point. Not if you want a seamless construction. The Hussar and the Ready Cast, yeah, they get 2 thumbs up and a couple of big toes too. So there you go. So what I have here are a couple of the manufacturer's kit tires. So these are the Italian ones, and they're just soft rubber, which isn't necessarily a bad thing, but I guess people have had issues with this type of material melting over the years, so. But yeah, also the detail can be soft. Cleaning them up is a bit difficult because they don't sand well. But, you know, they're passable. These are the ones from Dragon. The Dragon ones. It's got a different hub on there because these are the tandem ones in the back. And this one is missing the hub on it. I think I still have to glue that on there. You can see the track tread there. Different type. Here's the wheels from Italeri, and they're made out of rubber, so they're okay, but because of the rubber material, apparently there's a chemical reaction that might happen at some point, depending on some kind of paint that you might use. I've never really had any problem with it, but you know, the detail is probably a little softer, and it's hard to clean up because it is this rubber material. You can't really sand it very well. These are the tandem tires from a Dragon kit, and they are superior to the Italeri kit ones, I believe. So anyways, talk to you later.